Hello? Is anyone there? Just kidding. So today we are going to dye my hair, hopefully purple. My sister is going to be helping me, obviously. She's helped me with well, she's pretty much done my hair all the other times. I'm trying to take credit, but I'm just sitting here, you know, doing nothing. But yeah, sorry, I don't know if you can tell, but my eyes are twitching. I'm so tired. But I thought tonight is the best night to do it because I have studying to do, and you know, I like procrastinating. So let's get to some procrastinating. But my sister's getting ready, getting her comfy clothes on before we do this, and I have my dyed shirt on. But I'm going to show you guys the colors we're going to be mixing. So we're going to be mixing Virgin Pink, and we're also going to be mixing Aquamarine together. These are 8-ounce bottles, each of them. I bought them off of Amazon just because that was the easiest for me. It's the same price as it is at Hot Topic, so, and I think also at Sally's Beauty. I ran into there today and realized that they also have these dyes too. And then we're also going to be using my handy dandy mixing thing. I tried rinsing it out as best as I could, but that's as good as it's gonna get. Then we have my little mixing brush, and I have found my reusable gloves, so Ellie can use them. These black ones, I bought them at Sally's. They're only like $2. I think that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm hoping it turns out good. You know, I'm kind of just dyeing my hair a lot now because when I was younger, my mom didn't really want me to. The most she let me do was like blonde highlights. I think that was when I was 11. And then I wanted color, so I think she only allowed me to have, I think, 2 streaks of hot pink, and that was it. So yeah, that's like the most I've had. So when I dyed it turquoise, that was pretty amazing, turquoise green. But now we're going to be doing purple. It smells so good. It's like kind of like a fruity smell. We're gonna have to use the whole bottle because that does not look like enough for my hair. Not at all. So I'm using it all. I'm like kind of nervous. I don't know. Does that look like enough? I don't know. And it kind of just looks blue. I'm nervous. You know, if I turn out blue hair, I guess we'll be okay. Should I add more pink? Look at that. Yes. Okay, we're adding more pink.
Wow, how much blue did you put in?
Like, not even half of it. I think it's like filled up to here. About half.
That's also pink.
No, there's still like this much in it, like up to here. It's just a small.
Ours is like the same color.
I know. Alright, hold on. Pretty much adding the whole bottle of pink because I'm just like having a mental breakdown on the inside that it's just gonna look blue.
Damn, that smells good.
I know. So this is what it looks like now. Still kind of looks the same, but in person it looks more purpley.
Honey, move! Wilbert, move!
I just wanted to do like a comparison to the colors, and that blue, you can't really tell because my camera, like in person, that looks different. Okay, it looks different. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm getting mixed vibes about this, dude. I'm scared. Because on camera, that blue looks very similar to that. So I might just end up with blue hair. Rest in peace to me.
My arms look all muscular.
Mine too,
dude.
Yeah, they look so big, dude. They're just chunky though.
Big arms. True. Oh my god, Lonnie, are you sure you want to do
Yes!
smells so good.
Just kidding.
No, this is purple.
Yeah, I see it. I'm sure you got my baby hair. Yes, yes, yes.
Ooh, I did.
No.
There's that whole. Oh.
Don't.
You're gonna have to take the demo of you again.
I know. Ooh, look at that pimple I popped this morning. It looks all hurt.
Hurt?
Yeah. We're on the second layer now.
So you like dancing your hair now? Did you ever do this in high school?
I wish I could. Mom would have let me.
Seriously?
The most I ever had was like highlights, but they were like blonde. And then I asked her if I could dye my hair color, and she only let me get 2 streaks that were hot pink.
I feel like I say that every video I dye your eyebrows. I'm really laughing. Patrick, you see this? Sorry. Does that actually hurt? Oh.
Half of this bottle and all of the pink. So on the back of the Arctic Fox bottle it says, for best results, cover hair with plastic cap, process with heat, blow dry up to 15 minutes. Then that's when we rinse my hair. So we laid it on evenly, and now I'm gonna just put a bag over it, and then I'll blow dry it. Melts the cap on my head. That would be me.
Yeah, that was crusty. Alright, well, I'm going tonight.
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy. My clutch. Thank you for doing my hair.
Oh, my hair turned out really bad. Let it sit.
Dude, I think it's gonna turn out so good, dude. Because I saw it straight out of my hair. It looks so purple. And I wiped off like the remaining mix on it.
Just kidding, it's like this. And it looks good? Alright, good night, guys.
Just kidding. Good night. I'm not even going to bed. I'm like, peace out. I'm piecing to you, but through the camera. Okay.
I just forgot my water.
Oh yeah. Alright, good night.
Guess
Sunny pics. Yeah. Dude, those been there for a while. Oh, if you want to try it, it's chocolate. I don't know. Good night. Love you. Now you can shut it. Love you too. So I'm going to put it on high and hot. So I've had this in for about 30 minutes, some of it more since we've done it in layers, since we did it in layers. I can't speak English, but I don't know if I should wait longer or not, but I'm going to start taking off my makeup because I'm going to go take a shower, like it's nighttime, so I need to be getting ready for bed. So I'm going to take these beauties off. eyebrows are still sore. I got them threaded today. So this is what my hair looks like wet after I had showered. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair, but first, Redken Extreme Anti-Snap leave-in treatment. It's for distressed hair, and it also helps with heat protection. It smells like Fruity Pebbles. I think I mentioned that in my previous video. This is what it looks like close up. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is my hair dry. You can see it better. But you can see it better up close. It's pretty noticeable. I also have this, it's almost out. I have a coconut oil leave-in mist, and then I have coconut oil mist. I like the same thing, but this one's more oily. But it makes your hair feel like so soft, so soft. I love it. I need to buy more. I forgot how much it is because I had that for a while. I didn't really use it until I started dyeing my hair more, and it just makes your hair feel like so soft and so healthy. I'll have to like post pictures in the daylight because I'm sure it'll be a little bit more noticeable than what it looks like right now. It is pretty vibrant though, but I like the outcome. I'm excited to see. Sounds dumb, but I'm excited to see what it looks like when it fades. But everyone have a great rest of your week or weekend whenever I decide to upload this. Thank you for watching. Bye.